Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to the class of Civics. We have completed the Supreme Court, and I hope you have clear with those topics that I had explained in the class. Today, we move on to the next topic, that is High Court. This is what you are going to learn in the coming classes about the High Court. I hope you remember the terms, and I have told you in the class. Those terms will be repeated again when you learn points about the High Court. The first point that you are going to learn about the High Court is about the composition. What is the composition of the High Court? In the High Court, there will be Chief Justice of the High Court and other judges. Okay, the first one is the Chief Justice of the High Court and other judges. And these two people, as we know already, these two people will be appointed by the President of India. So there will be the Chief Justice of the High Court and other judges appointed by the President of India. And there will be additional judges. There will be additional judges appointed for a temporary period for not exceeding 2 years. There will be additional judges for a temporary period. The period is not exceeding 2 years. And what is the duty? To clear the extra works, or the works that are pending. Extra or the pending works. So that is the purpose of additional judges. And next, there will be someone called the acting judge. Acting judge is someone who is appointed when the permanent judge, means the Chief Justice of the High Court, is absent temporarily or is unable to perform the duties. When the acting judge is appointed, he is appointed to act as the Chief Justice. So, the acting judge comes when the Chief Justice is absent temporarily. Okay, that's the first reason, absent temporarily. Or second reason is unable to perform the duties. And when the acting judge is appointed, he is appointed as the Chief Justice of the High Court. So this is what you find the term called the composition. There will be Chief Justice, other judges appointed by the President of India. There will be additional judges appointed for a temporary period for not exceeding 2 years. And their work is to clear all the pending works. And there will be someone called the acting judge. The acting judge is appointed when the permanent judge, that is the Chief Justice of High Court, is absent temporarily or unable to perform the duties. And the acting judge is appointed as to act as the Chief Justice. I hope you are clear with the composition. And let's move on to the qualifications. What qualifications do you require? What are the qualifications necessary to be a judge in the High Court? The first, as you know already, Indian citizen. A person has to be Indian citizen to be appointed as the High Court judge. Second, the age is not over 62 years. Okay. Second, the third one is hold judicial office for 10 years. Judicial office for 10 years. Or advocate of the High Court. He or she has to be an advocate of the High Court for 10 years. The last one, to be a distinguished or well-known judge. A distinguished jurist. A person who has well knowledge about the law. These are the 5 qualifications necessary to be a judge in the High Court. He or she has to be an Indian citizen. He or she must not be over 62 years of age. He or she must hold judicial office for 10 years. He or she has to be an advocate of the High Court for 10 years. And he or she has to be a distinguished jurist. Jurist means a person who has got deep knowledge about the laws. Okay. Now let's move on to the third topic, that is appointment. How are these people appointed? The appointment of judges. The first one is the Chief Justice. The Chief Justice of High Court is appointed by the President. Since all the appointments are done by the President of India, but the President will consult two people. One is Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, and the Governor of the particular state. Governor of the concerned state. So the Chief Justice of High Court is appointed by the President after consulting Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and the Governor of the particular state. And what are the other judges? The other judges are appointed by the President of India, and he will consult. The President will consult two people, Chief Justice of India and the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, the Governor of the state, the Governor of the state he will consult the Chief Justice of India, the Governor of the particular state, and third one is the Chief Justice of the High Court. This is how the appointment is done. So the Chief Justice of High Court is appointed by the President of India after consulting the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and the Governor of the particular state. The other judges are appointed by the President of India after consulting Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and the High Court and the Governor of the particular of the concerned state. I hope you are clear with these 3 points. The composition, the qualification necessary, and the appointment done by the President of India. Kindly go through the video once again, and I will send the PDF in the WhatsApp group. Okay children, thank you.